An L.A. court judge has dismissed all charges against social workers in the case of the torture and death of 8-year-old Gabriel Fernandez. From downtown L.A., Christina Gonzalez joining us now to explain why they were dismissed and how the social workers are reacting to this very big news. Christina.
It is very big news because if they had been declared guilty, it would have set a precedent for all social workers in California, making them responsible for things that many of them don't feel they have control over. On the other hand, some say that it would have made them make better decisions in some of these cases. So listen.
Today is a sobering, sad, and dangerous final chapter in the tragedy of Gabriel Fernandez.
The attorney for Gabriel Fernandez's family reacting to the dismissal of charges against 4 social workers in connection with the 8-year-old's torture and death at the hands of his mother and her boyfriend. 2 case handlers and their supervisors faced charges of child abuse and falsifying records. But a state district court of appeals had already ruled the social workers could not control what happened because it was the mother who had the court-ordered custody for the little boy.
The motion to dismiss are hereby granted.
So today, the judge had no option but to dismiss, since the office of DA Jackie Lacey did not appeal that ruling. Lacey's office refusing to comment today. As for the social workers, only this from attorneys.
Our clients, and Mr. Baum in particular, are very grateful for the court's ruling that the case was dismissed and that they were declared factually innocent.
Because this decision was not appealed by our district attorney, this now sets a dangerous legal precedent throughout the entire state of California that kids are in danger.
The union representing social workers disagrees.
The case of Gabriel Fernandez was such a horrible tragedy for all of us. There are children's social workers, and there's never any bright spot to it. But so much has happened since the situation with Gabriel Fernandez, and we've actually improved the child welfare system.
Do you feel confident that something like this will not happen again? Do you think the tools are there as the people on the front line?
It's a great question. It's our job to make sure that this doesn't happen again.
But his concern remains that with COVID, the caseloads are beginning to go up again like crazy. So there is some concern, but they do say that changes have made things better. The Department of Children and Family Services, they did issue a statement saying, in essence, that they remain committed to reforms. In downtown Los Angeles, I'm Christina Gonzalez. Back to you guys.
All right, Christina, thanks. A concern, too, is because people aren't in school. Teachers are often the ones who are reporting the abuse. Christina, thanks for the story there.